As of last year, there is something you were praying for to get. You couldn't get it last year. And this year, you have it. Check around. Check yourself. Just check within since this year. You get something when you be say you cry too much to get her. You didn't get it. It can't be like say make you kill yourself. Or think you can give boo Mana this year. You want to be ya. Or wouldn't you would one ne? A garano eba hino. Would you have gotten that thing? If you had given up that last year, would you have been there that you are now? Onye nondo ebulo onwe ya. O dindu ebulo onwe gi. Yeah? No onye dindu nwere olileanya. As long as you are alive, there is hope. Don't give up. No gree die. Never say never. Me wete yata. If you know what happened today, it will happen tomorrow. Momeno but omenizu, omeno wa, omeno afọ. Nwanne udoshi ike, kuchisheri ike. Anwukwala. People who don't die, yo. Life still continues. No gree die. Na me talk. No matter the challenges, no gree die. Don't give up. No gree make them off your light. Hold on firmly to your chi. No ya dererema. Go check out my song. No gree die. Go when you otara. Oka omo waneku. Chinaza di bo onegu. The cultural activist. No gree die. Go and stream it.